Chef Sperchos. I came to represent Greece, but in the same time, 11 years here, like I can be, it's part of my home here and part of my home in Greece. Then I feel both countries like my home. Like UAE treat me very well the last 11 years I'm here. I have my restaurants, I have my business, and I'm being here for a long time. We're gonna be making spinach pie. Then we're gonna need filo pastry, eggs, spring onion, feta cheese, a little bit of salt and pepper, but less salt because the feta is salty, olive oil, parsley, spinach. We're using the spring onion for freshness, and we're using like the white onion to give a little bit more crispiness in the spinach pie. Now, food is all about bringing people together. Then if you cannot really follow this recipe, make any recipe you like and bring the family together. Like when I smell these onions, example, it reminds me, like my home, how it was smelled from my grandma. This is the reason I choose these recipes where it's very traditional, because it's coming through my grandma. And this is the real recipes where love is all about cooking. Then we just make the spinach a little bit soft, but don't overcook it, like basically just keep it like fresh how it looks like. So we're gonna add now the herbs, then I will add the feta at the end. Please make sure you're adding only at the end, not before that, and don't add so much because it'll be quite salty. Make sure the oven is already preheated in 200 degrees. If it's thicker, you have to reduce the temperature on 180. The name of one of the restaurants I have different one is The Dish. It's in one and only Isabel. The other one is Ev's in Group, where we do healthy food, healthy meals. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. I'm gonna see you back in Salsa soon, most hopefully. Right? Keep going, stay blessed, and thank you for having me.